How to fix Telegram file not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just click Telegram and then click force stop. Now click clear cache and then click force stop, and here click permissions, and as you see here you will find storage. Click on it and then just click allow, and storage allow it, don't forget that, and then just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to update your Telegram. So just go to Play Store and click update here, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to gallery and delete some videos and photos. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.